You can use a microwave or double boiler, which are both quick and easy methods to use. However, if you want a guarantee, you will have to retemper the chocolate. But fear not, as we have an in-depth guide on doing so that even the most novice of chocolatiers will be able to follow. What is blooming chocolate? Chocolate bloom comes in two main forms, fat bloom and sugar bloom. While both cause the chocolate to change in appearance, they occur in different ways and for different reasons. What causes fat bloom chocolate? Fat bloom occurs when the cocoa butter in the chocolate separates from the other ingredients. The first reason is that the chocolate wasn't tempered correctly. Tempering chocolate is a method that is used where chocolate is melted and re-solidified. The second reason fat bloom occurs is when the chocolate was stored at too high temperatures, like in a car, inside a bag, or in direct sunlight. What causes sugar to bloom in chocolate? Sugar bloom chocolate differs slightly from fat bloom. It usually occurs when chocolate has a temperature shock or when it has been stored in very humid and moist areas. Temperature shock occurs when you transfer chocolate from a very hot area to a very cold area. And that brings us to our second culprit, humidity. Any humid area will cause the moisture to help dissolve the sugar inside the chocolate. How to fix chocolate bloom? Fixing bloomed chocolate is very difficult, but not impossible. In short, you can fix sugar bloom chocolate and fat bloom chocolate by melting it and re-solidifying it. This method helps reintroduce the sugar or fat crystals back into the chocolate and once again create a stable product. Method 1. Use a microwave to fix the bloom. Add your blooming chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Stir the chocolate until completely melted. Transfer to a cold glass or metal bowl and allow it to cool at room temperature. Method 2. Using a double boiler. To make a double boiler, add some water to a small pot and bring it to a simmer. Add the bloomed chocolate into a large glass bowl and place it over the simmering water. Once melted, allow it to cool at room temperature before pouring it into a mold and allowing it to set completely. Method 3. Tempering chocolate. Use the double boiler to help slowly and evenly heat and melt the bloomed chocolate. Then, the chocolate must be cooled to 80 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. After it has reached that, it can be slightly reheated to between 85 to 87 degrees Fahrenheit for white and milk chocolate and 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate. How to prevent blooming chocolate? It is incredibly easy to prevent sugar blooming or fat blooming in chocolate. Much easier than even considering how to fix chocolate bloom. All you have to do is store the chocolate in a cool, dry place away from any direct sunlight, temperature changes, and moisture or humidity. Tips and tricks. What did we tell you? Easiest methods ever. Share this informative video with your family and friends who also struggle with fixing chocolate bloom, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.